Yay! Hey, hey! I died. Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh, another lucky block. Yes, bear traps. Yes, bear traps. If they're trying to get in here, I set up bear traps. Okay. Okay, I got 64 of these. So this will be easy so they cannot break in our base. Oh, cool. I found a potion. I died. And this looks cool already. And oh. Disconnected! Why am I disconnected? I'm disconnected. I got disconnected. Why am I disconnected? Disconnected. Why am I? Oh my god. Now I got nothing. The sins of the world, have mercy on us. You take away the sins of the world, have mercy on us. Sorry, I got disconnected. Oh man, no. Disco party. 1, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. Disco, party. I say disco, you say party. Disco, party. Solo. Fantastic. One, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. Disco, party. I say disco, you say party. Disco, party. Solo. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. Disco, party. Lucky airdrop in what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. I say disco, you say party. Here they come. No. I want to see the chicken gun. I want to see the chicken gun. Yeah. I will bring back the guitar or something. I will not. I'll just play the guitar. I'll play the small guitar. I can play a small guitar.
Small guitar.
Huh?
Called the ukulele.
Ukulele?
Ukulele. Wait lang yung ano, hindi pa mo po ka lang. Hindi ko alam po. Nabarang pa.
Mako ka na na.
Wala dyan.
Bye!
Ano yung ginagawa?
Why? Ano ba yan ang away ko? Ano ba yan ang away ko?
Mapuunal?
Yan? Ay, hindi yan. Yung manismal ko, mabango. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Tarawih.
Pag gusto mo na,
Yan.
tuyo.
Hindi ba tayo?
So, talbos. Sinantay ko na yung talbos.
What? Oh, S.
Pinitin pa ba?
S. You doomed all of us. You doomed us all. Huh? Did he say doom or boom? How? Also, what is doomed? Also, what is doomed? Also, what is doomed? Also, what is doomed? Anjayaho Sarnia Hateho. You know, it means we're dead. What do you mean they're dead?
Gusto mo ba ng sausawan mo?
What's that?
Gulay.
Gulay? No, the green stuff.
Gulay nga.
That is that supposed to be lettuce?
No. Talbos ang tawag dyan.
You just call it lettuce. You just call it lettuce. It looks a little weird.
Gusto mo ba? Kakain yung tita mo. Kailangan niya rin yung gulay.
I don't know what's this fish.
Fish.
I want to eat it.
Ano ba? Hindi kumuha ka. Nakakain ka ha. Huwag mo kong ginugulo ha.
Maalat? Pero sarap?
Gusto yun.
It's a little bit.
Oy, man ako mga kamanere.
A little bit alat, but it's good. Hello.
So, ayun ang bago mo.
Natanggal mo na yung mga lamig.
Bago ko nilagay yung ano.
Edible?
Oo, edible
The
yun.
black one?
Oo, kainin mo. Ako ka ka. Ano yan? Tuyo. Wow, ano yan?
Ha? There's something. Ninuso? Ninuso yan.
Nanginan yan, nilutuan. Kung alisin, balik mo doon.
Tastes really bad.
Kumain ka. Gusto mo.
I like the spices
Kaya mo yan sa kampurado.
when I was touching it. It's good.
Kain na noon lang. Parang sabay ka na yung kapit lang.
Iniit mo ba yung barbecue?
Ayun, ayun.
Ganyan yan, no? Ganyan, ganyan. Ganyan sa kanin.
Ito ang madalis niya.
I'm just drinking. What's it called again?
Teka, kunin ko yung batulan natin.
I'm just drinking something.
Sinizip mo.
Zip? What's a zip? I like the mouth taste. The mouth actually tastes good.
Ito. Tatapos mo.
No, I like this one.
Kailangan mo yan na.
Hoy,
I'm
gawa ka
doing,
na ng talbos.
I'm doing it a lot. Like, cookie is this. This. Okay. Crunchy. I think I'm crunching the bones.
Kainin mo yan.
The bones are edible?
Eh, di boy na. Ano pa kay Ate Emmy? Nakain yan. Wala kang natitira doon kahit ulo.
Why is it
Ano, doon sa ano lang.
I got like a bowl. Take the bowl now.
Very good. Uy, kumuha ka nun na isang pirasong okra. Kainin mo yung buo.
I'm not taking
Ikaw ba?
it.
Ano sabi mo yun?
Huh?
Sabi mo yan? Di ka picky eater?
Yeah, I'm a picky eater.
You are. Tama?
Yeah, remember the red flag?
Ano red flag?
Red flag Twitter at TikTok.
Mm.
I mean TikTok.
Mm.
It says picky eater.
Mm. So you are a picky eater? No. Ito.
How about that? I'm trying that plant.
Di ba meron ka pang ganito? Mas maliit kaysa dito?
Oh.
Kung sa basket. Hindi masyadong malaki. Perfect.
Mommy, that's spicy.
No. Hindi yan maanghang.
Ayaw makain nun, ha?
No.
Di ba nakilala ko yung mga bata?
Ah,
Yes.
that? Okay.
Ano na yan? Blaga ako. Ano na? Huwag ka lang maglaro. Uminom ka na.
I'm gonna scrub mommy's more getting
No, pares lang sila. Mas ano pa si Steph
No,
Daddy.
scrub mommy gets more water
Ano ba?
than scrub daddy.
No, nabasa mo yung text ko na ano tayo bukas? 9:30, Alex?
For what?
Ano mo?
Mommy, what's right now?
Simba. Maaga tayo magsimba.
Yay!
Kasi ba, may pasukan na kayo.
It's school tomorrow.
Kesa mag-rush kayo
I
na
have school
ano.
tomorrow.
No.
Yay!
Mas okay na umaga ka na nagsisimba para may oras pa kayo
Kanino
na...
yan? Kanino headset yan?
Kay tita, lagay mo lang dyan.
Balik mo doon.
Ito mo lang yung lagay.
Ay, Jay. Gusto na lumabas bukas.
Ah,
Oy, upuan ni Ninang yan. Balik mo sa upuan niya.
ako lang ito pala ko.
Balik mo.
Ewan ko kung makasimba.
Pwede naman. After simba ko ito mo.
Kayo ni Papa mo.
I'm eating some fish. I am backing up.
Taka nga. Toyo ang ano.
Why are you
toyo
backing
parang
up?
kasi, yung sausawan mo.
Why
Kulang lang ako sa
backing
okra.
up?
May talong pa to eh.
Up. Oh no. What do you mean, oh no? Two, on trend two, on rated two, almost then two.
Saan kayo pupunta? Wala kami dito.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven daw.
Ha?
Ay, uminom ka ng tubig.
Instead of going to church.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah. Pagtapos na church, 7-Eleven or something.
Uwi.
Doon na?
Mag-aaral tayo.
Oh, yeah. How do I do that?
Pinag-usapan na natin yun, di ba?
I accidentally... Oh, wait, you can take it off.
Bea Baduda.
Bea Baududa. Let's go. This is your fault, Bacon God. This is your fault, Bacon God. Why? Goodbye, guys. See you guys later. So, goodbye.